Welcome to Module 14, Constraint Juxtaposition. This technique uses limits side by side to sharpen clarity, stretch creativity, and test ideas under pressure. Our goal is to understand how placing contrasting constraints on the same task, like long versus short or formal versus casual, forces the AI to think in sharper, more original ways. Juxtaposition gives you outputs that are different, but equally valuable. The core idea is simple. Constraints force focus, and when you put two constraints side by side, you reveal what each version gains or loses. Juxtaposition gives you clarity, contrast, and choice. Here's a communication example. Ask the AI to explain quantum computing in 200 words. The longer version gives you detail, context, and nuance. Then reframe with a 20-word limit. That version forces the AI to capture only the essence. Side by side, the two explanations make the core idea clearer than either one on its own. Let's try a style contrast. Ask the AI to write about leadership as if giving a formal speech. The result is polished, weighty, and traditional. Then reframe the same idea as a casual tweet. That version is short, punchy, and conversational. Juxtaposed, the two show very different tones, one built for authority, the other built for speed and impact. You can also combine constraint juxtaposition with context prompting. For example, explain a new policy first as an expert, then as a beginner. Or take an optimistic case, then a critical one. Juxtaposing perspectives shows blind spots and surfaces trade-offs you'd miss otherwise. The pitfalls of constraint juxtaposition are easy to spot. If the limits are too extreme, the output turns into nonsense. If you stack on too many constraints at once, you overload the AI and lose clarity. And if you forget to synthesize what you've learned, you end up with scattered outputs and wasted effort. Juxtaposition only works when the contrasts are clear and purposeful. To summarize, constraint juxtaposition sharpens thinking through contrast. Your action step is to take one idea and test it under two opposite constraints. Compare the results and notice what each version reveals.